Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into your Amazon Jobs account. Whether you're checking on an application or exploring new opportunities, accessing your account is the first step to managing your job search with Amazon. Let's walk through this together. First things first, open your web browser and in the search bar type Amazon Job Login. This will pull up the relevant results that will direct you to the Amazon Jobs portal. It's a straightforward search that gets you exactly where you need to be without navigating through multiple pages. From the search results, you'll want to click on the option that says Login Page Amazon Jobs. This is typically one of the top results and will take you directly to the official Amazon Jobs login page. Clicking this ensures you're on the legitimate site where you can securely access your account. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice several options available for signing in. Amazon makes it convenient by offering multiple login methods. You can choose to log in with Amazon, which is helpful if you already have an Amazon retail account, or you can select login with Google if you prefer using your Google credentials. Pick whichever method works best for you and makes the process most seamless. Alternatively, if you'd rather use your email address directly, you can type your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, click the Continue button. This will move you forward to the next step of the login process, where you'll verify your identity. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully into the password field, making sure everything is correct. Once you've entered it, click the Login button to access your account. This final click will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Amazon Jobs dashboard, where you can manage applications, update your profile, or search for new positions. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Amazon Jobs account and ready to take the next steps in your career journey. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.